In this video, I'll show you how to make Ghibli art in Chatgpt. I'm pretty sure you've been seeing a lot of videos about Ghibli art, right? Ghibli art and image. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can use Chatgpt to create these kinds of images, right? So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. So before I get started with this video, I want to make it clear that this video is basically for educational purpose only. So whatever you're doing, ensure you do everything correctly. So click on this. I'm telling you guys, you can upgrade your plan right after this video. So this video, I'm making it for educational purpose only, right? So ensure you go through all and let's all be good, right? So at first, if you want to make Ghibli art in ChatGPT, so you need to click on this, right? Upload files from your computer. I'm gonna select my previous, I think I have some images. At first, you need to have an image in mind, right? You'll be using for this. So I think this image is currently loading up. So let's see how it's gonna go, right? Okay, so I found an image, and this is the image I'm gonna be using, right? So I'm gonna make a Ghibli art with this right now. So just come on here and type in, please convert this to, I think, yeah, Ghibli style art. So once you have typed this in, just click on this, right, and wait for it to load up. So you can see this is the art or image right here. So we're gonna wait for the output to come out. So it's currently loading. You can see it right here. So just give it very few seconds, right? Everything is gonna show up right now. Okay, yeah, so you can see the image is currently created, right? This took me, I think, less than 2 minutes, right? It took me less than 2 minutes to run up everything. So you can see it. At first, you need to have the image, right? You'd love to convert to the Ghibli style, right? So this is the image, and this is our beautiful result, right? So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys would love to see lots of amazing videos like this. Thank you, YouTube, for the opportunity for me to create this kind of educational content. I really appreciate. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.